We hope that you guys have loved...
Hold on, I was looking in the wrong spot.
Okay.
Do it again.
All right.
Okay.
We hope you guys...
No, you have to give it a pause.
Okay.
Okay.
Go. Okay, here we go. We hope you guys have loved watching the progress on our flip house. We've loved sharing every moment of it with you.
And we hope you're super excited to see the reveal of our flip house. But that's not happening today.
In true Shanty fashion, we're running a little bit behind. However, we thought we'll share some bloopers with you because we certainly have enough of those to share.
We have a few.
Just a few.
So Jeffrey, roll the tape.
Alexa!
Hello, friends.
Welcome to the Shanty2Chic Show. I saw a dead cat on the side of the road.
The benefits of using plywood by Ashley Turner. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I did mine wrong. Actually, I did mine completely wrong. You have a much better angle than I do.
I do. That's why I always pick this side.
Yeah, it's all becoming clear to me now.
Sounded a little Celine Dion-ish.
Why?
It's all coming back to me now.
It's all coming.
It's all coming.
One more. Roll them.
Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. Going to be...
Ignore this. Eyes closed.
You can leave it.
Ignore this. You want to take these off? I think you do.
Okay. All right, we've got... All right, we've got... All right.
Ow! Oh, splinter.
Do it again.
So not worth the fun when that happens.
Cut, I'm bleeding. Hold on, sorry.
Get it? Cut.
Cut.
She's bleeding. All because we were trying to be funny. As many of y'all know, we just moved into our first office and workshop. And not first, because we've had a workshop, I'm sorry. As many of y'all know, we just moved into our first this modern rustic writing desk. Rustic modern, I'm sorry. This rustic modern writing desk. But through, just like that. Through, just like that. Losing my marbles. But the great news is I now have a drawer to put them all in. Won't lose them ever again. Did you take my drill? Where did my drill go?
Oh, there's one up there. Oh, that might have been mine. I not
She
only
always
stole
takes my stuff.
Whitney's drill, I put my drill up there and then stole hers. Woo! All right, and the legs are gonna face this way. So we don't. Side panels are done. Now it's time to
Say that again, I'm yawning.
See, and I was going, see. All right. Okay.
Excuse me.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel below. I messed up, sorry, I said below.
All right, here we go. Do it again.
All right.
That was really good.
Well, you know us, one-hit wonders. That's what they all call us.
So I think that's it. DIY, easy.
Easel mirror.
So now we're doing our short kisses.
Oh my gosh, seriously?
Ignore this, ignore this.
This is ridiculous. There,
It's your first time using a drill?
first time.
So the only thing better than a queen, sorry.
And this is just designed with two, and this is designed with, and this is a sorry.
Well, that's good. Just like that. Did I ever?
Hey, it worked. It went through.
What the what? Oh, it's half inch plywood, not.
Oh, and you're out of staples.
Of course I am. Of course I am.
Hold for staples. Do, 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 do.
Nobody loves me. Excuse her. You're so mature.
I'm attaching these sides with 3/4 inch oh my gosh. I'm attaching these sides with 1 1/4.
Let's try that again.
Too tight.
Is that the trash guy?
I guess. It would make a great.
What? Holy crap balls!
Did I do that?
You know, if I can get it going. It's just the greatest gun ever.
So I was still
That's right.
talking.
Pause. Oh, I'm like, oh, it's a pause. Happy dance.
5, 6, 7, 8.
We cheered for Colleyville. If it's not obvious.
We're gonna go. You have giant pepper in your tooth.
Gosh, you caught me early on. Stand by.
I didn't notice. And then she turned around and was like, ah.
Look at the auction here. I'm sorry.
Those are the sharpest blades I've ever seen on scissors. It's dangerous.
All right, get the GoPro away from Ashley. Okay. So definitely go lower.
Okay.
Like right there, and then it needs to go down on your left. Up more. Down more. Up more.
Stop
I'm
it.
sorry. Okay. It's raining sawdust, guys.
It's raining sawdust.
Hallelujah.
It's raining sawdust. She works hard for the money. So hard for the money. So you better treat her right.
Ooh, that's what I need to be singing to my children. Excuse me. Sorry.
Did you?
No, but my drill did. We're 12. Grow up, Ashley. Act your age. All right, so we've got both of our drawers built. That looks like synchronized flipping right there. Why is that funny? Why is that funny? All right, so we've got this table totally done, and now we're gonna add the stain, and we'll be ready. Ready for what? What are we ready for?
Say it again.
What are you ready for?
Part of the base, and then we're going to use screws to attach the. Okay, Jen, what is this little red guy right here?
So this is just a really strong magnet, and it's got the pieces, and it's
That's making the last part of
the bloopers part.
Whitney will say, blah, blah.
Yeah, okay. Literally.
Dang it! All right.
Marshmallow.
All right.
Great.
Or you can just get one of your Shanty sisters to
Be grinding.
grind.
I'm good at grinding.
And it's time to grind out those unperfect joints.
I think it's imperfect.
All right.
And on spot, we both corrected you.
Make sure that you catch our next video.
I definitely think you should keep.
It's adding a lot to the video, Ashley.
You know, you were a great. Can't
Probably a really
believe.
good blooper.
And there you go, some of our finer moments, all in one video.
So y'all want to make sure that you're here for our next video because we are going to be revealing the flip house.
This is not a test, it will actually happen.
No bloopers here. Alexa!